Meghalaya BJP today launched anti-drugs campaign in West Shillong constituency. The rally was organized from Maoba near Barapathar taxi stand to Gorkha Pathshala school ground. Several women volunteers participated in the event. The state BJP President Ernest Maury said this is not a mere election issue, as the same would be continued even after elections to eradicate the menace of drugs from the constituency. He said that the party would organize more such programs in the coming days in other parts of the state.
We organize this rally, is anti-drug rally. This is not only for election. This rally will be effective even after election. We are really very serious to eradicate drugs. So to eradicate drugs, it has been decided not only from the state, even from the central BJP also.
In one of the bizarre incidents,